This is Sagar here. So today in today class we'll see how to go for the intersect the roads. So I have two layers, that is one of the road and one more is sector. So I want to clip those are the roads which are the intersect to sector, isn't it? So this portion, these are the roads I want to intersect, and I'll use arcpy, that is the Python coding language, and using that Python I will intersect those are the roads. So we'll start now. Now I'll import the arcpy package, that is the import arcpy. Next, I'll go for the after the that clip road. I want to save it in that class data. So for that, I'll set the environment, that is the from arcpy, or simply I can say arcpy.env.workspace equal to. I'll give that input, that I'll set that output in this folder, and I'll hit enter. Now we'll go for the intersection tool, that is the arcpy.clip analysis, or we can say the clip management. So we'll go for the clip analysis, and that clip management for the raster analysis. So we'll go for the clip analysis. First, input, you can say this is the input feature and clip feature. So input feature will select the roads, and for the clip feature I'll input as a sector because I want to cut or intersect those are the roads with sector. So I'll give the sector, and as a output string we have to give string, that output name I can give as a clip roads, or we can give anything just like road or clip road or intersect road or anything we can give it. So I'll close quotes and let that close the bracket, and the cluster tolerance, this is the optional one parameter we can give it, or it will take default. So now I hit enter. Now our road is ready, so I can show you to people's. This is the road network, which is the clip. Can zoom and see that. So these are the road and these are the intersected roads are there, isn't it? So using the clip tool, we can analyze this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos.